Are you wondering which trading platform is better? Today, we are comparing Quotex and Olymp Trade. Both of these tools let you trade online, but they have some key differences. Quotex is known for its user friendly interface. It's designed for both beginners and experienced traders. You can trade various assets like currencies, commodities, and stocks. The platform also offers a demo account, which is great for practice. On the other hand, Olymtrade has been around for a while. It also offers a simple interface and a wide range of trading options. This platform focuses on helping users learn with educational resources and webinars. It's perfect for those who want to improve their trading skills. Now, let's look at what sets them apart. Cortex is often praised for its fast execution and innovative features. This makes it appealing for traders who want quick results. In contrast, Trade is known for its strong customer support and educational materials. This can be a big plus for beginners who need guidance. When it comes to features, both platforms have their strengths. Cortex offers unique tools like customizable charts and signals. Olymp Trade provides a comprehensive learning section and a variety of trading strategies. Pricing is another factor to consider. Quotex usually has lower minimum deposits, making it accessible for new traders. Olymtrade also offers competitive pricing, but it may require a higher initial investment. So, which one should you choose? If you are looking for a quick and easy trading experience, Quotex might be your best bet. But if you want to learn and grow as a trader, Olymtrade could be the right fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.